All right, let's take a look at this problem. It says, do the following equation have the solution of -3? Remember, solutions are all of my x values. They are what makes the statement true or make the problem true. Since it's already telling me what my answer is going to be, all I have to do is actually plug it into the equation to make sure each side is equal to the same number. So I'm going to be substituting in -3 inside for every x I see. I see x squared, so it's going to be -3 squared plus 1 drops down, 7 minus -3. Now that I have everything substituted in, I want to make sure the left side is equal to the right side. So I'm going to be solving for the left-hand side first. I have -3 squared. That means it wants -3 times -3. A negative times a negative will always give me a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. That plus 1 drops down. Now I have 9 plus 1, which will give me 10. Now let's solve for the left-hand side. Now let's look at the right-hand side. So I do have this 7. It drops down. I have -3 in parentheses. And I also have this negative on the outside. I need to distribute it in. A negative times a negative will always give me a positive 3. Now on this other side, I have 7 plus 3, which will give me 10. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes, as long as my left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, it is a true statement. So I'm going to write, yes, it does have a solution of 3, -3. So just to recap what I did, I saw that the problem already told me the solutions. All I had to do was plug it into the equation. I wanted to make sure I simplified. So I knew my left-hand side will have to equal the right-hand side. If I ended up with different numbers on each side, then it would be considered a false statement. So the solution would be inaccurate.